Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to transfer laptop data in mobile. The fastest method is using a cable, best when moving large files like movies, music collections or bulk documents. Connect your phone to your laptop with a USB charging cable, and on your phone, tap the notification charging this device via USB. Under USB settings, choose File Transfer or Transferring Files. A File Explorer window will appear on your laptop showing your phone's storage and SD card if available. Just copy and paste files between your laptop and phone, and for Mac users, install OpenMTP since macOS doesn't natively support Android file transfer. And the second method is without cable with wireless cloud transfer. Use Google Drive, Dropbox or OneDrive on your laptop, install the app, and sign in with the same Google account as your phone. Drag and drop files into the Google Drive folder, and on your phone, open the Google Drive app and your uploaded files will sync automatically and be ready to download. It works across platforms like Windows, macOS, Android, or iOS. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.